You mentioned something also a few moments ago about hosting events in the local community.
Mhm.
How has that been working out for you so far, in terms of reaching, building, educating? What's kind of the thought process behind it? What have you found to be a really good playbook for that?
Yeah, last night was the first time we've done something like this. So this was new. This was new to us as well, and we partnered with the Pittsburgh Robotics Network, which is a local nonprofit that acts in the interest of the robotics community. They were a really great partner through this, so thanks to them. And I think our event was really successful. We had some robotics organizations that are local here to Pittsburgh that already use our facilities on site to kind of give an explanation of what their experience with MSA was, how we operated in terms of building to suit their needs and having the facilities in place for them to function. I would say our event last night was pretty successful in terms of a marketing strategy of getting our name out there for people to know who we are and what we're capable of. Truth is our property out there is very unique for this community, and I think a lot of companies could take advantage of it. So it's just a matter of letting them know it's here and what we can do.
Yeah, I think it could be an amazingly powerful strategy. Not only have I heard a lot of co-location operators having success with that earlier on in my career, I was involved with various software user groups, and be amazed being able to provide a free location and pizza and drinks and just hosting, like in return for getting people, a couple dozen people or 50, 100 people, whatever it is, into your facility. Like the ROI on that on a long-term basis with the brand building and everything in the community could be staggering.
That's kind of the plan. We want to build upon the local community to be involved and be a part of that. It's not necessarily something we're doing just to try to grow revenues. It's something that we're doing to be a part of the community because it's vital to the city. Pittsburgh needs these robotics companies to thrive. So having an environment for them to be able to test and get that data back as quickly as possible so that they can be successful feels really important.
And it gives them a chance to build relationships with each other in a non-salesy, non-threatening kind of place. Imagine too, your HR team would probably really get a lot of benefits from hanging out at these events too, because some people are probably really tied into startups, and some other people are super curious about job opportunities at MSA.
They were not invited, but I can imagine there might have been some interest.
For sure, everyone's always constantly looking to build different kinds of pipelines from time to time. I've heard a lot of people too have success with managed service provider audiences, hosting events in co-location data centers, like kind of the natural channel partners a lot of times with our co-location facilities.
Yeah, and MSPs are great partners with us. We really enjoy working with them, so they're fun to have.
That's awesome.